Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorials and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe and like our videos. So today we're going to be doing throw pillows, and these are the materials needed for the throw pillows. What you do next now is you cut your fabric to your desired measurement, and as you can see in the video, I'm trying to arrange my fabrics very well so that I can get my desired amount of fabric I'll be using and be able to inscribe my measurements on it. So the next thing you do now is get your tape rule. You measure your desired length you'll be using. For this I'll be using 12 inches, and when I finish sewing with half inches yet left, it will be remaining 11 inches and a half for our throw pillows. So now I've gotten my measurement, and the next thing I'll do right now is to take my ruler and rule. Pardon me, in this video I actually lost my ruler, so I'm using a wood as a ruler. Yeah, so and that's it. And the next thing you do now is you get your scissors and you cut through. Yes, just like that, nicely, perfectly. Yeah, so what you do next now is to sew round. For those of you that don't know how to use the sewing machine yet, you can use your needle and thread to sew. And for those that can sew with the machine, this is how to sew it round nicely. You sew through 3 sides, then you leave one space open. The reason for leaving the space open is where you'll be puffing in your fabric that you're using for your throw pillow. You can also use this throw pillow foam. They sell it in the market as well, but for the sake of this video I'll be using empty fabrics. So you iron it nicely and you're ready to puff in your fabric. So this is the waste fabric that we've been using for our other work. So in order not to throw them away or litter the house, you just have to pieces them and use them for your throw pillow. Mind you have to pieces them. The reason for piecing so that it doesn't have lumps and strong fabrics that can hurt you while you're using it to sleep or cuddle. Then the next thing you do is to pin. Reason for pinning so you can get it straight when you're sewing. And now we're about to sew. Put in your sewing machine, you sew like the way we did the first time. You sew it through just like that, nicely and neat. And trust me, our throw pillow is almost ready. So you remove the pins from it, and yes, our nicely made throw pillow. Very nice. And you can also do your key holder like that as well, throw pillow key holder, like what I just did in the video.